Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
Actually, our village is called Dhanbari. It's in Dhanbari police station of Tangai district. You can reach our village by bus, CNG or auto. But communication is not easy. About 10,000 people live in our village. Most of them are educated. Our village is their village to all of us who live there. There are 10 schools, 9 colleges, 2 post offices in our village. There is a canal in our village. I love my village very much. And that's all.